Hi guys, I came across an example for MySQL, so I'm thinking that we should just tackle this example and see what we can do with it. I've already created tables under MySQL. Let me just show you the tables that I've created. I've created department and also employees, so I filled both of them with data. So I'm just gonna show you the data set that is already saved inside. Okay, it's sorry, made a mistake of from employees. Okay, this is the data that I've saved inside. We have employee number, employee name, employee surname, salary, and also department. And then for the other table, department, we have for the department table, we have department ID, we have department name, department description, department contact, and the administrator of each department. Okay, so we're just gonna start with looking at the problem now. Okay, let me just get the document. Okay, what it says is that we should create a procedure with a procedure name get salary between. So what we have to do, we have to create a procedure before anything within the procedure. That's where we're gonna be running all of the codings. So what you do, you go to you go to start procedures, and then you say create start procedure. And then as for the procedure name, you're gonna change this to the name that they have given us in the document, which is get sal between. Okay, let's get sal between. Okay, okay, now let's go see what should be in the parameter and what should be done. Okay, for now, for parameters we don't have to put anything. So what's the objective of the whole thing? Let me just name it as an objective. Objective of the whole problem, it would be displaying employee name, employee number, sorry, employee, okay, it's employee name, employee surname, department name, and also the department administrator, where salary is in between 14,000 and 18,000. Okay, now we can go into coding, see what we can do. So since we don't have to put anything under parameters, we're just gonna leave it like that. And then what we're supposed to do is to display. Okay, let me just have to look at the created tables aside to see whether you are doing things right or not. Okay, we have to display employee name, employee surname, and we have to display department name and also administrator within the department. Okay, so let's just go to it now. So it's going to be department name, and department admin, Okay, so guys, you should remember that we're selecting both the tables, so they should have an inner join between both the table with a certain key that's going to be a primary key from the other table and also a foreign key from the other table, for which we have it as or department ID, it's here, and also department ID, it's up there. So in here, the department ID, it's a primary key. In here, it's a foreign key. So we're gonna use this key as a referential key for us to get the employees where the department IDs are actually equal. So we're gonna say from employees okay, inner join. We're going to inner join it with the department ID. Okay, with the department on employees dot department ID equals to the department depart ID. So from here, what's going to be happening in this statement is going to be inner joining both the tables on the department ID, where each of the department ID that is saved under employees and also the one that is saved under department ID are equal. That's where it's gonna join them. Okay, before I close that, we have last problem to look at. Okay, where salary is in between 14,000 and 18,000. So we're going to put a clause here and say where salary between 14,000 and 18,000, and then you close it like that. Okay guys, let's apply the procedure and see if it's gonna run or if we did any form of mistakes. So how you call a procedure is that you type in call on the query, type in call, then you go to the dot procedure and you double click on the name of the procedure that it's gonna appear on the query editor, and then you run this. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have employee name being displayed, we have employee surname being displayed, department name being displayed, and also the department admin. Okay, if we go back to the setting department, okay, if we go back to the department table and select all of the things that are in there, we're gonna see that we have only 1, 2, 3, we have only 3 departments. So what's going to happen is that it's going to take all of those 3 departments and join it with the employee department ID, where it's actually equal to each of those ones. So it's gonna take a certain number of them because it's not gonna do for all of them. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be our solution in a way. It's gonna be Lesego Makafola statistics, and the department admin is gonna be Miss T. We have to verify that. Okay, department ID Miss T should be under statistics, and also the department ID should be 132. So we should go look at under employees, look at Lesego, whether Lesego has a department ID of 1, 2, 3. Lesego, the department is 132. Okay, can I verify here? Sorry, it is 132, for which is correct guys. Thank you for watching.